Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Right Guard Sports Fresh deodorant. Yeah, now this is a Right Guard that I really like. It has something that I really typically do not like. In my opinion, I usually don't like the white roll-on deodorants, because I just don't like the white part. I like when you use deodorants and it goes on clear. You see it clear from the get-go, and then when you roll it onto your skin, it's clear. I like that. But I got this anyway because I really like the smell of it. It's really a nice smell. I'm not sure what fragrance it really is because it just says fresh. And I got this about a week ago. It works. As far as keeping you dry and everything. But the smell of it just really gets me. I just don't like that it's it goes on white. It doesn't really go on white, but it starts off that way. It's like you put it on and you see how it has that. I don't like that, I want it just to be completely clear, and it just bothers me that it's that way. Yeah, that's my pet peeve because, when you have it white like that, it kind of looks kind of bad, like when it's hanging off your underarm hairs, and it's just one of those things. I don't know who's all looking at your underarms, but I just don't like to look at that. So I usually like the clear one that works. Right Guard, this is the one time I had to get this, and this was kind of new to me. When I would use Right Guard in the past, it was their spray-on. Didn't like that. I used to use it for a while, but I got tired of coldness of the spray. Spraying on those aerosols sprays, it's just freezing. So I stick with the roll-ons. Right Guard, it has this white on it, but I really like the smell. The smell is really nice, and it's really even hard to describe. There was an actual name for it on the bottle somewhere. It just says fresh and sport. It smells really good. Because of the smell, I'm willing to deal with the whole white issue here. Yeah. For its basic uses, though, it really does keep you dry. The actual ones that come white like this, I feel probably they work better because it's kind of a visual. It just kind of feels that way. It's almost like putting on a powder underneath your arms. It kind of, you would think it, just logically speaking, would work better than just kind of like a clear cream that would go on, like almost like a Vaseline or something underneath your arm and keep you dry. It's a big deal to me to have it clear under there. So it's just a visual thing that bothers me. But as far as its workability, ones that have the white on there, I feel work probably better. Yeah. Using it, it's working. It's working for me. I won't use it with, like, if I'm going to wear a tank top or anything that day. I'll have to have something with, sleeves on it and like that, because I don't want to lift up my arms and show everybody my white underarms. But other than that, it's good. And it smells great, like I said. This is like the little compact version because I love when things are kind of miniature, so you can pack them away, and take them with you to travel, and put them in small pouches and stuff. Yeah. And this protection, the Right Guard stick, it really works well, and it lasts very long. It does. It lasts a good deal of time. That's really one of its biggest selling points to me. I mean, once you put it on in the morning, you're good until the next day. It really is. Yeah, I like it a lot. I hope you guys use this information, and this is the Right Guard Sports Fresh Deodorant. I really like this. All right, guys. Well, I will talk to you again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.